Basically, yung nakikita ko sa kanyang speech is gusto nating ipakita na ito yung nagawa ng kanyang administration, na ito yung mga kanyang mga achievements. Pero nakikita natin may counter-achievements zone ang mga tao. No matter how you provide the people with figures, gaano kagandang ipakita mo mga figures, if the reality on the ground is contrasting, hindi mo ipapasok yan. Simple lang naman yung hinihingi ng mga tao, di ba?
Tama.
They're not asking for so much, but probably good government and to fulfill your promises. Sinabi mo yan noong 2022, kaya ka na-elect. During the campaign, sinabi mo yan noong 2023. Actually, nakalimutan nung sabihin ng 2024. Kasi siguro walang nangyari. No?
Wala.
You're speaking of projects that did not even start during your administration. You're speaking of facts that does not reflect the reality on the ground. You talk about modernization. You've been talking about modernization of agriculture for years, no? Nasaan yung modernized na agriculture natin? Nasaan yung actual impact niya saan yung mga seedlings, no, of development na tinanim natin? So we can talk about na, ito nga, from phase 1, nakarating na tayo ng phase 2. We're harping again on the same promise. This zone is not very exciting, sa totoo lang for me, no?
Yeah.
It's not, even the temperament of the people on the ground, even the people on Congress, alam mo kung anong pinalakpakan sa Kongreso? It's not about how we try to uplift the lives of the Filipino people. Yung tinayuan nila is yung pagbaban ng pogo. No? It seems that that's the most important aspect of the SONA. Nga tumatak sa mga congressmen natin. It's not about how we better the lives of the Filipino people.
Exactly.
It's about trying to ban the SONA.
Ayun.
You know what?
Ma'am Lorraine. Thank you.
Watching yesterday the SONA, parang I'm going to censor myself a little bit, no? But okay, these leaders kasi, no, this president has it has escaped him, no? He doesn't know this. This is the tragedy of this president, that this man, that he has reached the highest office in the land, and yet the most basic hindi niya alam, no?
Tama.
Which is makinig ka sa tao.
Correct.
And the voice of the speaker was so articulate, and it hurt, no, to listen to his yung hinaing niya, naniniwala kami dito sa budol na ito, no. And looking at him now, no, I can tell you kasi I'm looking at the comments, no. Suklam na ang tao sa kanya. This explains the 31% plummet in yung pagbagsak niya ng 31% in the 2 years, no. Siya yung from all the past presidents, no, 4 presidents, Arroyo, Estrada, Duterte, and Aquino, and then him, no? Sa kanya yung pinakamalaki ng bulusok. After 2 years, all presidents bumabagsak talaga ang trust ratings. The only one that didn't happen,
Duterte.
It didn't happen na bumaba ang trust ratings ay si President Duterte.
Even when he comes out in power.
Yes,
Hindi
yes.
bumaba,
Up to this day, no? To this day. So, listening talaga to... Kasi yesterday, pinapanood ko sila parang mga kawatan yung nakikita ko no? Nagpapalakpakan ng mga kawatan.
I like that
no?
word.
The biggest thieves in I believe what President Duterte said, no? And having been on the receiving end of the arrogance and abuse of power of Congress, no? For asking a simple question that they are answerable to the Filipino people. Totoo ba, Mr. Speaker, na 1.8 billion ang travel expenses mo? No, the scandal there, the outrage there was that we were detained because of asking that question that every Filipino ought to demand an answer from. Karapatan namin yon. So, watching them yesterday was watching the master na magnanakaw talking to the mga magnanakaws. That's how I feel about all of this. Of course, it cannot be sweeping, no? It cannot be sweeping. And I do know that there are some of them there that are real public servants, no? But I'm sorry, you're tainted. All of you are tainted because of the leadership of this empty vessel.
Correct. Empty vessel. Walang laman, hungkag, siopaw, at puro lang pasiklab at pabilib ang kanyang mga ginagawa.
Kasi Eric, what can you expect, no? I saw the video, and I believe it is true because I have information that this was authenticated on 2 levels. Nag-due diligence ang mga tao behind this video. On 2 levels niya na-authenticate at in-authenticate ito in an international company that's reputable. So, yung video na yon, on 2 levels siya. Number 1, first level, that it is not AI generated. Therefore, it is authentic. And that number 2, the identity of the person in that video who's snorting something, no, is indeed Ferdinand Marcos Jr. No?
Okay.
So, yun.
At kukomentaryohan namin yan ni Ma'am Lorraine at ni Atty. Busantog extensively doon sa, in a little portion lang. At i-reserve namin yun. At tama yun si Ma'am Lorraine. It is of crucial and very vital importance na harapin ito ng Pangulo ng Bansa once and for all kasi hindi siya lulubayan ng mga issue na ito with more than 11 million views now kumakalat
From
sa
last night, ha? That
since
was from last night.